Hello. In this video, I wanted to think a little bit about one of the questions I get asked a lot, which is how on earth do I remember my speech? How do I remember my words? To which my answer is don't. An adage I've always worked to is know what you want to say, but don't know your words, i.e. know the points you want to make, the stories you're going to tell, the structure you're going to use, but don't learn it word for word. If you learn it word for word, you're going to end up parroting it. And it sounds slightly sort of repetitive, and it just sounds as if you're just repeating it, and it's sort of coming out of your mouth without ever really coming through your brain. So what you need to be doing is thinking about exactly what you're going to say at what point in your speech, and then just having a form of words you're going to use. Talk about those points. One interesting way to think about it is to pose questions. So you know that in your half-hour talk, you've got to answer, let's say, 5 questions. You've got 6 minutes on each. And actually, you can pose those questions maybe on your slides. That's what each slide says. It just poses the questions and you answer it. And you should know how to answer it because, quite frankly, you know your stuff. And also, you're going to practice. But you're going to practice answering those questions, but you're not going to learn the words. I'd go further and say never, ever go on stage with a longhand written script because you will end up reading it out. It doesn't matter how often you think, oh, I'm just going to glance down at it. The problem is if you glance down, you think, hang on, where am I? Oh, I'm there. So I'm now going to read the next bits out. And then you end up parroting it again. So know what you want to say. Think about the points you want to make, the stories you're going to tell, the jokes you're going to use, but don't learn your words. Now, I know that puts the fear of God into some people. And a lot of that will then come down to practice, which seems to be something that a lot of people struggle to do. But you do need to practice your speech, and you need to practice it out loud, and you need to practice it numerous times. And quite frankly, get a coach to help you do it. And yeah, that's something I can help you with. But just think about knowing what you want to say, but not knowing your words. It's a radical departure for a lot of people I know. And it's a topic I'm going to revisit. So if you came to this video via my email newsletter, while you're here on YouTube, please do subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when I post new content. And if you found this on YouTube, then do sign up to my email newsletter. You'll find the link in the description below, and you'll get a fortnightly top tip from me and also a roundup of some of the best content from around the web. So thanks for joining me for this one, and I will see you next time.